Today I'm here in my 2013 Volkswagen Passat, and I'm going to be doing the front dome light on this model. So this model is covers 2012 up to 2015. This should be the same. Some premium models may have a different interface here. If it is different, then it's different. It's not the same. So it might be a different procedure. Another thing I've noticed in other videos is people have taken this whole thing out. You don't have to do that. You can just pop this plate off, and that's what I'm gonna go over. So to do this job, you will need one of these. This is a plastic trim interior tool. I'll put a link in the description. You also absolutely need a roll of tape. Painter's tape will work. And then you need your light bulb there. So I'm gonna jump in and show you how to do this. All right, so step one, I have my interior tool. I've put this little tape marker on it because you don't wanna stick the tool too far into this edge. We're gonna go into this front edge here. It's got the rounded corners. We're gonna go in from here and slide it from here. This is why this tool is really important for this, because this plastic allows you to slide along here without damaging it. If you use a metal screwdriver, you're gonna dig in and damage that trim. So I'm gonna go in from this corner, and it is super crucial that you don't go too far. So I'm right at that tape edge right there, and that's, I'll show you again, that's about 3 to 4 millimeters, and then I'm making sure it doesn't go past there. Then you slide side to side, then this should pop out like so. Now if you look on the back, we have these big hooks. You don't want to try to pry those out on the back there. You want these little tiny guys right here. But if you go too far in, you're gonna break this plastic piece right here. As you can see, I've broken mine here. So you just wanna sneak it past at an angle and then slide to the side. Now we're gonna get our bulb out. So for this, we take our tape and we need to hook it into the bulb. The bulb's right there. You don't wanna touch it with your bare hands, but I'm gonna loop this tape around the bulb. I've got the bulb, and then the direction of the socket is pointing towards the back of the vehicle, so we're gonna pull forward to take it out. I've got the bulb here. I'm gonna handle it with my glove hand. And then you might want to just use this tool again to get the bulb back in there, but let's see. All right, just so you can see, the socket is facing the back of the vehicle. There's the socket there, so the bulb kind of hangs down and out. It is tricky. If you do not point this the right way, you can push the bulb up in there. You don't want to do that. I'm going to take my new bulb. I'm going to use this tape as to put it on the tip and guide it into place. Also, the orientation of the bulb is this way. This flat edge goes in this way. This is like a finicky repair to get done. And let's see, to get it all lined up to fit in there, I'm just gonna let the camera roll on this so you can see that it is not, it's not a hard concept, but there it is. You gotta get the right angle. And then gently pull your tape off. So I just got it in. Now you have to get the tape off the bulb without pulling the bulb back out. So you kind of have to work around it. There we go. And bulb's all the way in. Now we're gonna throw this. These tabs go in first. Let me adjust you guys here so you can see. So these go in the back here, and then pop that all in. It'll go click, click, and we're set. I'll put a link in the description for the bulb. Let's check it out. Boom, it works. I'll put a link in the description for the bulb and the trim tool. I definitely recommend getting both of those. And then I'll also do a video of the back dome light as well. Thanks for joining me. If this is helpful, give a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.